Get Starrick's soothing syrup right here!
It's all he drinks. Your syrup is liquefying him. He's turning him simple-headed.
Now, look now. You are scaring away my customers. Why don't you bugger off, or I'll give you something to remember me by.
Oh, you can't talk to me like that, you little gutterling.
What's all this then?
Oh, sod off!
If you'll excuse me, madam.
Maybe two.
What the hell do you want? I'm just trying to earn a living. Oh, you are asking for it.
Tell me where the syrup originates.
Just starting to relax.
All I know is they make a run each day between the gasometers and the asylum.
Don't tell me something's happening. You're a sight for sore eyes, Mr. Fry.
Let's find out where that syrup is made, shall we? That's a girl.
You're embarrassing yourself! Looks like a
man in charge of the syrup distribution runs a fighting club at the foundry.
That's the way.
Walk on, girl.
Easy!
Looks like trouble is brewing.
He's playing silly buggers if you ask me. Instead of walking.
Just being small, think they can trample all over you. Let the weight of the roll on the nose shoulder. Step on him down. That one's looking to get
There you are.
Oi! Stop that, you macer!
Yes, come on.
Smells like a drought.
I'm trying to get away from me. It won't work.
Solid, just my luck.
Gosh!
I see it. This is about to get ugly. Really bloody ugly. Now that's what I'm talking about.
I'll get you for that.
You're dead.
Where is the syrup, mate? Speak now or forever hold your...
the distillery. It's the large building beside the brewery.
Now, to stop soothing syrup production once and for all.
You can't know how much you can't know how much you've done for me.
Read it in.
That's it! I'm coming over there!
Back in factories all day and most of the night.
Keep a sharp eye out, lads. Someone's targeting our network. The distillery might be next.
This will complicate things.
Have you tried it? The syrup.
Someone had entered that noise.
Or someone.
Move on,
I'm
or
not
we'll
interested
kill
in
you.
wasting my time on you.
Poison will
Keep
kill you.
moving.
Feed you to the pigs. I've got a shot at it. Don't let him free. Get away! He's not leaving in one piece. Take him down. Finish her off, and we'll back you like. I'll back you up if you're in any bother, Jack. Serves you right.
You should not go about frightening respectable gentlemen, young man.
I didn't realize snooping around was considered gentlemanly.
Snooping? Sir, I assure you.
Keep vigilant.
Quick, inside. That was too close a call. You, young man, gave me quite a fright. I thought you were one of them. But I realize now why you're here. Same reason I am, I imagine.
I imagine?
I believe I found something, young man. Rather impressive contraption, wouldn't you say?
I've seen bigger.
Datura stramonium, or devil's snare as it is commonly called. That goes into the syrup. And opium, no less. Revolting. Absolutely sickening.
I see someone! He's right there! I see him!
Sunlight strength!
Fucking take it!
Someone take care of it!
Intruder! There!
Every man for himself! How did he get through?
Well done, dear boy. Well done. Charles Darwin, delighted to make your acquaintance.
Jacob Fry. The pleasure's all mine.
While you were busy wreaking havoc, I found this. It indicates that a sample of every batch has been sent to Lambeth Asylum.
I wonder if it's visiting hours.
Don't be so hasty, Mr. Fry. Many people work at Lambeth. You wouldn't want to attract unwanted attention.
What's the fun in that?
Not every problem can be solved by blowing things sky high. Sometimes a little discretion is in order. It's getting late. I will meet you at the asylum to continue our investigation.